Hello, Achiever, and welcome to day 3 of the 10-day calm meditation. And this meditation will only be a couple minutes. So let's get started. All right, so today's meditation is all about observation and awareness. But before we get started, there are 3 things that I will gently request. One is to get in a space of comfort where you feel safe. Number 2 is to get into a position of comfort, whatever comfort means to you. This is your meditation, and I want you to make it your own. So whether you're sitting on the ground, sitting in a chair, or you're lying down, whatever that looks like to you. And number 3, I will ask of you to close your eyes or do a gentle gaze down to your nose. And that is because at the beginning of this meditation, we will be tapping into our imagination. And with your eyes closed, your imagination is limitless. With your eyes open, you can only focus on what you see. Let's get started. Gently close your eyes or bring your eyes down to a soft gaze. And I want you to imagine that you have just entered an empty room. And as you look around this room, you see nothing. The only thing you see is blank walls. And in this room, there's no judgment. There's no expectations. There's no comparison. There's no right or wrong. There's no good or bad. In any event that happened preceding this room, I will kindly ask of you to leave it at the door. And now I want you to bring all your attention to the tip of your nose and be aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And observe the air. Do you feel the air going in and out? Or are you just sensing the air going in and out? Is the air thick? Is it thin? Is it just going through one nostril or both nostrils? Just observe without labeling or judging. If any thoughts arise, if you're doing this right or wrong, just acknowledge it. Be aware of the way it makes you feel, and just sit with that feeling for a couple seconds. And then bring your attention back to the tip of your nose and become aware of the air as it goes in and out of your nose. And if you are breathing fast, breathe fast. If you're breathing slow, breathe slow. And if now that your attention is on your breath, you are controlling your breath, then continue to do so. Now I want you to bring your attention to your shoulders. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Drop them down, release the tension in your shoulders. And be aware of the air as it goes in and out, and the movement that your shoulder makes as the air goes in and out. Keeping your shoulder relaxed at all times. And if a thought arises about the past, it's okay. That's normal. Just bring your attention back to your shoulder. And be aware of the movement of your shoulders as the air goes in and out. And if another thought arises, thinking about some other event that happened in the past and didn't make you feel so well, be aware of it and observe how it makes you feel. And just sit with that for a couple seconds. And then bring your attention back to your shoulders as you are aware of the air as it goes in movement that it has on your shoulders. And as we bring this meditation to an end, I want you to take 3 deep breaths. On the inhale, I want you to inhale calm. And on the exhale, I want you to let go. So inhale, calm, fill your chest with calm, raise up your chest and your shoulders. And now exhale, let go of any tension, any frustration while you're relaxing your shoulders and your chest. Starting again, inhale, calm, fill your chest with calm. Tighten up your shoulders, straighten up your shoulders. And exhale, let go of any tension, let go of anything that happened before you entered this empty room. Last time, inhale, calm. Fill your chest with calm. And let go of any tension, any irritation. Let it go. And when you are ready, you may gently open your eyes. And you have just completed day 3 of the 10-day calm meditation. And remember, in this room, there's no judgment, there's no comparison, there's no right or wrong. And understand that the experience that you had was the best experience for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so that you do not miss a video. Bye for now.